Good morning, Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com. It's Tuesday the 10th of December. We're looking at a daily chart of Brent Crude. We're going to have a look at Brent Crude this week. Daily chart's not really telling us an awful lot. We had a good rally through to the beginning of December, and then this negative candle where we spiked higher and closed lower signalled the end of that rally. And we've drifted off ever since. Yesterday was a big down day. Tested the 100-day moving average, and we've actually pushed through it, but we're hovering around it today. I've got that at around 109.70, so we're just slightly above there at the moment. So there's not a lot of clues from the daily chart really. No particular trend or pattern, but if anything, it's more negative, having broken below this trend line that you see here. And obviously yesterday we the last couple of days we tested that trend line, having closed below it and then plunged. So if anything, negative on the daily chart, but we'll have to see whether we close below the 100-day moving average again today, which is, I say, at 109.70. Shorter term, slightly better clues. We've got a little bit oversold yesterday, as you would expect after such a heavy sell-off. You can see this shorter term trend line here, which goes back to the 20th of November. Once that was broken yesterday, that was when we got the sharp sell-off. So the 4-hour chart here is a little bit more of a clearer picture, and we sank to this 38.2% Fibonacci support level, which held pretty nicely actually, as we'd expected it would. Oversold short term on the 4-hour chart, so we're looking really for a small recovery just short term, and this sort of mid 110 area looks likely. 110.60, 110.70 looks like a reasonable target, but probably a high for the day around there. It's quite a congested area, so I don't really see us getting any higher. If, however, I'm wrong, we do push on, well, this trend line around the 111.30, 111.40 area looks like it should hold the top side now, and I'm guessing that would be quite a good selling opportunity if we reach that far. If you go back to the daily chart, 109.70, as I say, is quite important on the daily chart, and then yesterday's low at 109.00, which is also that short-term Fibonacci support. So below 109.00, then Brent's in trouble again. We're looking at the 108.5 area, and perhaps even that 107.5 area, which is where we meet the 200-day moving average. That ties in fairly nicely with short-term fibs. We've got 108.00 just as the 50%, and then the 107.50 area, I think I said on the daily chart, which is 200-day moving average, and if we sink below there, we've got 106.80 to look for, and good support around there, I would suggest. That's it for Brent for today. Thanks very much. I'm Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com.